Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who stitches, does things with textiles. Knitting, crocheting, weaving, felting, sewing, all of those kind of things. But I'm also an art tube YouTuber. I like to do all different kinds of creative things on this channel. On this channel, we do anything and everything I want to do. I live my life in a box. I don't want the creativity to be in a box. We do all kinds of things on this channel, including open stuff, unboxings, yay! So, I got something I've never gotten in my life because I got a really good deal on eBay, and I have a scathingly brilliant idea. Stay tuned. Okay, so I got this idea from my friend Cheryl at, Cheryl, I always get your name backwards. Here. It's either Cheryl's Collector Galaxy or Cheryl's Galaxy Collector, something like that. I'm so sorry, Cheryl. I'll put it here. Anyway, she is a wonderful, wonderful Disney YouTuber. You should look her up. She is so fun. And she collects Nuimos. Nuimos are those cute little things you see that are little doll-like things of the characters, and you can dress them, and people take them around the parks, and they have little magnetic hands, and yeah, they're so cute. I've never wanted one before, I'll be completely honest. But I saw her Christmas video, I don't know if it was last year or 2 years ago, but I saw her Christmas video, and she said something very specific in that video that gave me my idea. So see, she doesn't even know that she gave me this idea, but she's going to be tagged in this video, and she's going to be very confused until I explain. So in her video, she was dressing her little Nuimos for Christmas. It was so cute. And she said that she wished she had more sweaters for them. And I agreed. And she said that the sweaters that they came with are really hard to put on. Well, that's no fun. So I went, oh, I make Barbie sweaters. I'm sure I can make a larger size. That's easy. Yeah, did you guys know I make Barbie sweaters? Yes, I do. And I make Barbie sweaters for the curvy Barbies. So they fit the, the thick girls. Oh yeah. Because Mattel hardly makes clothes for them that are cute. And I thought that was unfair. Anyway, I thought I can totally make a little sweater for a Nuimo. One problem. Just go online and try to find dimensions for Nuimos. Everybody has a different answer. There's even people who've already made clothes for them, like on Ravelry and stuff, and even their dimensions are different than other things. And I went, now what? Well, my only option, I guess, is to buy my own Nuimo. Do I want one? Do I need one? I guess, because I'm going to have to take my own measurements. So, the options that I could find on Amazon were terrible. So, I went on eBay, and look guys, I'm cheap, okay? I looked up the cheapest options. My options were between Belle in her ball gown and Miss Piggy. Now, if you know me at all, you know I'm a Belle girl. I love Belle. She's not my favorite princess, but she is second. I love Belle so much. But the ball gown and the hair, I wasn't 100% sure that I could make it work. So, I love the Muppets, and I do love Miss Piggy, and I love Frank Oz, her voice. That's right, she's voiced by a guy. Did you know that? Yeah. So, I got Miss Piggy for $7. Here she is. Didn't even take her out of the packaging yet. She came super clean. Don't see any issues. She is originally $19.99. Yeah, I did well. I got free shipping too. So, we're unboxing her for the first time. Okay, she smells okay. For those of you who don't know, I have a type of hyperosmia, so I can smell really unusual things. Aw, she's kind of cute. Okay, good. I can lift her hair. That's good. And I think they're posable. Yeah, they are. You can move her knee. So she can move her ankle, her leg, her arm, and kind of her elbow. You can make her an elbow. Her head moves a little bit. Not too much. Head movement is a little, and then I guess they have magnets in these hands. Let's see. I see people do this around their purses. Oh, I see. Cute. All right. So she is smaller than I figured. And she's really cute though. I'm happy with my purchase. I would not have paid $20. I'm sorry. I know. People who pay those prices because they really, really want them, more power to you. That's not me. She's cute. She's in a little pink dress and she's got little gloves and little shoes. I'm very happy I can lift her hair. And it stays up there, so it's much easier for me to measure. But I think someone's gonna get some sweaters. And then of course, Miss Piggy doesn't need like 20 sweaters, so they have to go somewhere. So, $7 so I can make a pattern for a sweater. Worth it? Yeah, she's totally worth $7. I'd pay 10. I think 10 is a good price for what I've seen. But I don't know who the eBay seller was. I'm sorry, but they got 100 on their thing, so I figured that was good. I got it within less than 7 days. I know that for sure. Still has the tag, you know, proving it's officially Disney. And oh my gosh, she's got little underwear. That's so cute. Oh, and she's got a little, is it like a little unitard? Hold on. We're going to look at this off camera. We're going to, you know, so she's dignified. Respect her dignity. Oh, it's like a little swimsuit. The way they designed it. I don't think she'd mind me showing you because it looks like a swimsuit. That's so cute. And you just put her clothes back on like that. Oh yeah, so much easier to get on than a ball gown. So I wanted something that would be really easy to move around. And her silky hands I think will be great for like slipping her hand inside the sleeve and stuff. But I'm excited, you guys. I love making little sweaters. I like making them into little ornaments and stuff, but I think it'll be lots of fun to like dress her and stuff for Christmas. Now, I will admit, I do wish I could have gotten Kermit. I feel like they should be together always. That's what made me upset with the television show that shall not be named. Because I love the Muppets. Now, my favorite Muppet, I bet you can't guess. I would love it if you guys guess who my favorite Muppet is of all time in the comments below. One or two of you out there might know, but I don't really talk Muppets. But now that I have Miss Piggy, I probably should. Maybe we should do a little Muppet something or other. But anyway, I probably will look for Kermit because she needs him. He needs her, she needs him. It's a perfect match. I love Miss Piggy and Kermit. I think they are one of the cutest little Disney, now that they own it, couples. out there. And she is so cute. I love her little curls, her little ears. This video is going on forever. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, Cheryl. Okay. You win, girl. You win. I got one, and now I want another one. You're right. But I'm not paying 20 bucks for it. I'm not doing it. Sorry, your man ain't worth it. I'm super excited to make little clothes for her. She might need a little muff too, you know, like a little winter muff and maybe a little winter hat. Oh dear, I've started something for myself. But she's Miss Piggy, she's gotta be glam. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that I got my little new emo. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. We had fun. Let me know down below if you can guess my favorite Muppet. I will be very shocked, but if somebody does, I will shout them out in a video. So, thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye. I don't know, can we do a fun little picture here? Blowing everyone kisses. This video is so ridiculous. I love it though. I hope you guys love it too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today.